Hi guys, welcome to Toyland. Today we will open this Play-Doh Jake and the Neverland Pirates Treasure Creations by Hasbro. This is for 3 years old and above. And let's look at the back. You can make stamps, press, you can also make shapes, and cut the Play-Doh. So let's open it up. This includes 3 cans of Play-Doh. Okay, so this is what we have. This is Jake and this is the stamp. Okay, next this is Evie. At the back is the stamp. We also have Jake's sword. We also have the shape for the dolphin. This is the crocodile that can cut. Next is the treasure chest. This is the cannon, and this is what you can use to press the Play-Doh. You can inject the Play-Doh and press it here. And lastly, we also have the shape for the crocodile. Okay, so let's now start making the Play-Doh. Wow! This is Jake. Really cool. This is what we have. A beautiful stamp. Okay, now we have the dolphin. Okay, wow, this is a really nice crocodile. Alright, now these are the items that we can do for pressing the Play-Doh. Now it's time for us to make the treasure chest. And we're going to use this gold Play-Doh. Next, it's time for us to use the cannonballs. It's time for us to use this cannon. First, we have to get the sword, and we can choose which shape we want to make. And this time I'm going to make this shape, the second shape. I just have to press it. Okay. Then we will get the color that we want, so I will use blue. And the next thing that I want to show you is how to make the coins. The coins are very easy, and we really need this for Jake and the Neverland Pirate. Here you go. Lastly, we will try to cut and slice it like a pizza. Shing! And for the remaining Play-Doh, we can also make a cannonballs. See? Just roll it on your hands. Okay, so this is the complete set of the treasure creation of Jake and the Neverland Pirates. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye!